it's me again. I'm Lena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape Group. In this video, I'll be talking about my first DE, which is on the topic of my progress week 108. Now in this video, I'll be talking about 5 main parts. The first part is what have I learned. The second part is the improvements that I have made. The third part is the intentions. The fourth part are the discussions that we have made during the meeting. And finally, for the fifth part, I'm going to be talking about my works for next week. So without further ado, let's get started on my first part, which is what have I learned? Well, last week, our main topic was about IV fluid and medication drip rates for children, in which I learned and discovered new things like the 421 rule, or some examples of how the 421 rule is used in healthcare, as well as what are IV drip rates, and then some important considerations when using and delivering IV drip rates to children. So those are the things that I have learned this week. Moving on to the next part, the intentions that I've made for myself. Well, for this week, based on the improvements and the intentions that I have made from last week, I need to send in the feedback and also the meeting plan, and I need to check my spelling in my writing. Kennedy said that she noticed a few spelling errors in my essay, so I think that I need to check my spelling before submitting my work. So those are the things that I need to look out for when doing my work. The third part is the improvements that I have made. Well, the improvements that I have made and improved from last week is, firstly, I have made a detailed presentation with lots of illustrations, pictures, examples, and overall I covered all the parts. So I feel like my presentation in the meeting this week was detailed. Also, I delved deep into the topic for my main video, and I also provided a lot of examples for the audience, like a 15-kilogram child, a 30-kilogram child, or a 50-kilogram child. So those are the improvements that I have made. The fourth part is on the discussions that we've made in the meeting. The discussions that we've made in the meeting focuses on 2 main parts, which is, firstly, the self-reflection, in which we just talked about our intentions, shared our intentions, our improvements, and also I gave Kennedy her feedback in the weight part also. The main part is the main topic, which firstly we test our knowledge and our understanding of the topic, and then we each took turns giving presentations. So those are the things that we discussed in the meeting. Finally, the last part is on the works for next week. So the work plan for next week includes 3 main aspects. The first one is the DE1, which is this video, the progress week 108. The second DE and the main work will be key aspects of volume in solutions in patient care. So we're going to be talking about that topic while also giving at least 2 examples. So give as many examples as possible. So those are the things that I want to talk about in my DE1 this week. If you have any other questions or any other ideas or suggestions on improvement on my video, then please share it with me. Thank you for listening to my video, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!